Let's take a look at how to find the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. So we'll say our matrix is just A, B, C, D. When you want to find an inverse, there's for a 2 by 2 matrix there's a formula, but there might not always be a formula. And if you just want to understand how it works, this is what you do. So you augment it with a 2 by 2 identity matrix, which is just this 1 0 0 1. This line just, it's like kind of a divider. What we're going to do now is try to convert the left hand side into the identity matrix using elementary row operations, and we're going to see what we got on the right hand side, and that's going to end up becoming our inverse. So we're going to do two operations here. It's kind of simple. We just want to make the A, well, basically you want to make the B a 0 over here, right? So you want to subtract, so you want to do row 1 is equal to row 1 minus B over D row 2. Okay, and at the same time, at the bottom you want to make the C a 0. So you can do row 2 minus C over A minus C over A row 1. And we'll do both of these now. They're happening simultaneously. So when you do the first one, it's going to be A minus, so I'll just write down here, A minus BC over D. This is 0. On the right hand side, it's going to be 1 minus 0, so that will just stay as 1. 0 minus B over D, so this will just be negative B over D. When we do it for the second one over here, we're going to end up getting this one to be 0, and then it will be D minus CD over A. Over here we'll have this equaling, it will be 0 minus C over A, and this one will equal 1. Right, now what we want to do, we want to make this the identity matrix. So we're going to divide, well, actually over here we see there's a divided by D, so we're going to multiply the top row by D, which we can do. So this is just going to make it AD minus BC 0, and then this becomes D and negative B. We're going to multiply the bottom row by A over here to make this 0, and then AD minus BC. Notice that there are two AD minus BCs. Here we get negative C and then A here. Now we're just going to divide everything by AD minus BC to make this the identity matrix. So we just get D, negative B, negative C, A. And then the whole thing is going to be divided by AD minus BC. And this is the inverse.